Welcome to Zape Learning app.
Hello, little learners. Today we are going to learn about comparing numbers. That means we look at two numbers and find out which one is greater, less, or equal. We use three special symbols to compare numbers. When the first number is bigger, we use greater than. When it's smaller, we use less than. And if both are the same, we use equal to. Let's look at some number pairs. 10 is greater than 5. We write it like this: 10 greater than 5. 3 is less than 7. We write 3 less than 7. 8 is equal to 8. We write 8 equals 8. Let's remember one more time. Use greater than when the first number is bigger, less than when it is smaller, and equal to when both numbers are the same. Great job, number explorers. Now you know how to compare numbers using greater than, less than, and equals to. Keep practicing with toys, fingers, or your number book. See you next time. Smarter learning starts today. Download and subscribe to Zape Learning app now.